It is not an official statistic yet, but Grady Hospital says it is seeing 20 to 25 emergency room visits per month from these scooter accidents. Scooters became new to Atlanta during the spring, and now the city is trying to figure out how to deal with them. But statistics, they're always hard to come by. 11 Alive's Doug Richards has more.
We know that the city of Atlanta aims to regulate what the industry calls e-scooters, where they can be ridden and perhaps where they can be discarded. And then there's the question of safety.
It's fine. Scooters are fine.
George Cheedy has been a regular user of rental scooters. Riding them seemed simple enough until one day earlier this month.
I'm trying to come off the sidewalk and there's a curb cut.
When Cheedy was driving a scooter up Spring Street,
I hit like with both hands, like that.
Toppled off and broke his wrist.
I was trying to break my fall. And I broke my wrist.
Grady Hospital says it's not officially tracking scooter injuries. But unofficially, Grady says its emergency room has been handling 20 to 25 scooter-related injuries per month. Those injuries include falls, but they also include pedestrians hit by scooters and includes pedestrians who have hurt themselves walking into parked scooters.
Obviously, I was using a scooter. I'm not against scooters. What I'm against is people not understanding their risk.
Cheedy says he can ride a bike, but riding a scooter isn't like riding a bike, and that people often overestimate their skills on a scooter.
People are afraid to ride in the street because they're afraid of getting creamed by a car.
Hard data on scooter injuries is hard to find because the industry is still new. Cheedy, who works at Central Atlanta Progress, thinks the governments that want to regulate scooters ought to be finding it out.
Like, it's okay to use a scooter if you understand your risk and understand your skill level. But if you have to guess at this stuff when it's knowable, we have a problem.
Meantime, Athens-Clarke County has banned e-scooters. The city of Atlanta's regulations are likely to be enacted early next year. In Midtown, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.